Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm your phone supports Touch ID and has at least 20% charge, update the OS if prompted. Once ready, remove any screen protector and clean the finger you'll use because oils block sensors. Then open Settings, choose Touch ID and passcode and tap Add a fingerprint. Follow the first prompts. Press the fingertip lightly, lift and reposition as directed. This step registers the fingerprint center and edges, so be deliberate and steady, don't rush it. Continue by systematically capturing the fingerprint's full perimeter. Press the center first, then tilt and capture the sides and top so the sensor learns multiple contact points. Make sure to apply consistent, gentle pressure. Too hard or too light will fail scans. Follow the on-screen prompts and keep repositioning until the progress indicator reaches 100%. Once the primary scan is complete, add at least one backup finger or your thumb for convenience and redundancy. This reduces lockouts when one finger is wet or injured. Finish by testing the unlock repeatedly and enabling Touch ID for payments or apps if you want that convenience. Make sure the phone asks for your passcode after restarts. This verifies proper setup. If Touch ID misses often, delete the problematic fingerprint and re-enroll, or remove all fingerprints and start over. Inconsistent scans usually mean poor placement or a dirty sensor. Finally, keep the sensor clean and avoid using wet, heavily calloused, or greasy fingers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.